Spicy Oysters Recipe. It's spicy oysters that are great for parties and other kinds of occasions. Oysters are usually complicated, but this makes it very easy, and you can use local fresh water or salt water, it does not matter at all. The point is to start enjoying shellfish, which have all kinds of good nutrients in their meat. Ingredients: 1 pound oysters, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne, 1 sprig cilantro finely chopped, 1 cup cheese, 1 jalapeno, 1 tomato, diced very small. Instructions: chop up tomato, cilantro and jalapeno together and season with cayenne so it makes a nice pico-like texture. Boil oysters until they open up. Take them apart and separate the shells. Place the pico mixture into the shell and sprinkle cheese over it. Place the oysters on a baking sheet and bake at 450 degrees until the cheese is melted and brown.